What's going on, mother truckers? So Massachusetts State Police just put out this video from the highway camera actually in the tunnel, and this truck driver just went full send on this. Mother truckers, just know bridges, tunnels, it takes a while for them to dry up, especially if it's cold and there's ice out. You got to watch out for black ice and all that. But this truck driver was speeding in the tunnel when it was icy. Not very smart. You know, you can see the video right here. But it was shut down all day today. The accident happened at 5 and stopped, and they got the truck out of there and towed out just hours ago. So mother truckers, just know that the William Tunnel Route 93 in Boston is finally back open. But mother truckers, all I have to say is, does this truck driver deserve a ticket? If you were the owner of this company, would they be let go? Would they be fired? Comment down below, because all I have to say is, it's not very necessary to full send, especially in the tunnel on icy days.